How's it going, everyone? In this video, I'm going to be telling you all some ways to make money in a bear market, or make money when the market's weak. But before we get started, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, click that thumbs up button, and click that bell icon so you don't miss out on any of my upcoming videos. So let's get right into this. Keep in mind, in a bear market, the market's just not going to continuously go down. You're going to have days that it bounces, you're going to be able to trade to the long side, and there's just so much opportunity in the bear market. I cannot stress enough as day traders, the market conditions or direction does not affect us because you can trade using options, and you can do this on any size account, small account, big account, it doesn't matter. You can trade using options, and you can catch these moves and have a very nice return with them if you know what you're doing. I can't stress enough how important it is to put education before trading. With that being said, let's look at a few different ways here to make money. The first two I'm going to show you is the most basic trading strategy there is: support and resistance. People underestimate how good this strategy can be if you know how to trade it. And from my experience, volume is your key indicator when trading support and resistance. I'm not going to go too in depth in this. I'm going to point this stuff out to you. I already have videos out going in depth on how to trade these type of trades, but I'm going to point them out to you and just let you know these are stuff you can look for in a bear market and the types of trades you can still be taking. Okay. As you can see here, we come up, touch this resistance. That would have been a good place to buy puts if you know how to read volume. For me, I will go through this really quickly. I look for a decrease in buying volume as we hit that. If I see a huge increase in buying volume, chances are we're going to break through that resistance, right? So I like to take it when the green candle touches, buy puts, take that move back down. Keep in mind, when I trade SPY or QQQ, I usually go the strike right out of the money for these trades. As you can see, we come down. We could have took some calls here off this support, right? As you can see, you had a decrease in selling volume. Would have been a great place to try some call options for the move up. I treat these as scalps. I start locking in profits around 10% area, adjust my stop loss, and leave some runners to catch additional gains. Sometimes you have a quick move and it goes past 10%. You get to, trim at 20%, Perfect. Now, another pattern I really, really like to trade during a weak market is a bear flag. I have a recent video out on this showing you exactly where I would get in this trade, how I would manage this trade, where I would take profit at during this trade. During the weak market, you're going to see these quite often, so I would try to become familiar with them. I guess the point of this video is try to get some of the fear out of your mind. There's so much opportunity. I would even go as far to say that there's just as much opportunity in a bear market as there is a bull market. You can definitely get a better average as a long-term investor. There's plenty of movement as a day trader. And if you like swing trading to the downside, there's plenty of opportunities in that as well. But that pretty much sums up this video. Be sure to hit that thumbs up button. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. Comments, DMs, Instagram. Oh, if you haven't been watching my Instagram live, where we create my watch list every morning, you need to come join us. It's a really good time. I check out some stocks for you all. But yeah, I appreciate you all for watching, and I'll catch you next time.